So hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to your own Facebook channel, and today's video we are back with the drawing series, and I personally love this one because we are making so many amazing things and so easily. So first we are making a fox here, and you all must have heard so many stories about fox, so first we have tried to make one. Now the next one here is deer. I think it's a deer, and these are very cute animals. I mean, look at the eyes, they have so much shine in them. I personally love these. I mean, just look at Anna, who can't love them? Yeah, they're so pretty. Okay, now the next one here is we are drawing a hen. Actually, all the children must have heard that, oh, hens try to wake you up early in the morning, but we have alarms these days, so yeah, hens must rest now. Okay, now the next one here is, what do you think we are making by this shape? I have this throat infection, so sometimes my voice cracks a bit. Okay, we're making a small cute dinosaurs. We must have seen these in, all the cartoon shows we have watched in our childhood days. You can actually, regenerate those memories by making these, and done. Now we are making a wise animal. Now you all must have guessed it right, it's an owl. And I think he's winking, he is happy about something, and done. Easy peasy, don't you think? Okay, now the next one here is making a dog. He's the best friend of all of us, so yeah. And I think he's looking up to his master or a friend or whatever you call yourself of him, and done. Now just coloring the parts a bit, and done. Now the next we are making a panda. We all must have seen these, and most of us be like, oh, this is my spirit animal because of our habits. But pandas are really cute. Done. Easy peasy, don't you think? Now the next one here is, okay, what's looking up? Is it a caterpillar? Oh, it's not a caterpillar, it's a no, these are crabs or scorpions? Tell me in the comment section because I'm really confused. Yeah, these are crabs or scorpions. Scorpions are black. Okay, these are crabs. I'm done figuring it out. Now we are making a peacock, and it's also our national animal, so make it really nicely the way shown here. I'm gonna give it the respect it deserves, and coloring I really like the color of the feather of peacock. I mean, it's so colorful. Okay, easy peasy, don't you think? Now the next one here is we are making a circle, a red circle. What do you think it's gonna be? It's a beetle. I can't digest it anymore, so yeah, it's a beetle, and just coloring it and making it more obvious, and done. Now the next one here is, my voice has started to cracking up, I'm sorry. Okay, now we are making an alien. Okay, in the starting also I thought it's an alien, but it's a mouse. I'm sorry, mouse. I thought about you as an alien. Now the next one here is we are making a sheep, and is it a sheep or a breed of dog also looks like this. So it's not a sheep, or it is a sheep. You figure it out and tell me. It's a sheep only. By the black legs I can say that. Yeah, I'm confirmed now, it's a sheep. And done. Thank you for watching.